Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's tap on About Phone. Now we have to localize the MIUI version, which is right here just under those highlighted options and information. And all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So keep tapping and here we've got the information. Right now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom because we have to find additional settings. Scroll down and the developer options will appear. As you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show visual feedback for tabs, we can manage the floating clock. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking because we've got the Bluetooth, the USB settings are also right here, etc. And basically the customization of them is pretty easy. Simply find the option and tap on the switcher, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by going to the very top and tapping on this switcher. Most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the additional settings or even to the system settings, the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Of course, you have to go back to the build number or actually MIUI version step in the About Phone and keep tapping. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.